Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're watching this video, it's because you are aware of my giveaway. I'm excited for this giveaway because this is the very first giveaway that I'm doing on my channel. And I have a few things here that I want to show you that will be a part of the giveaway. So tell me, how's it going? How's everybody's summer? Can you believe that summer is already almost over? I can't. Let's chit chat a little bit. Tell me what's going on. How's it going? What area are you at that you're watching me at? I'm here in Orlando. I've had people watch me from Puerto Rico. I have people watch me from up north. So hit me up. Let me know where you're watching me. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can get notifications whenever I come out with new content. As you can see, I'm wearing my House Stark. So upset that Game of Thrones is over. I mean, that's all I watched. It was my go-to show. So upset with the ending though, right? Like, what happened there? So let me get started and go ahead and show you the things that I have for the giveaway. Let's get to this. All right, so first off that we have for the giveaway is this little set from Bath and Body Works. And it's called Magic in the Air. It's a lotion, a mist, and a shower gel. Really cute. So this is the first part of the giveaway. Next thing I have that's going to be a part of the giveaway is a shampoo and conditioner little travel set. It's from Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. So I haven't personally tried these out myself, but I have heard that they are a really good product. It's great shampoo and conditioner to use. When you use it, please let me know how well it worked and if you liked it or not, and if it's worth actually purchasing the full size. But this little shampoo and conditioner set is a part of the giveaway. Next I have that I received is a Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. All right, and this mask, you apply it twice weekly onto clean skin, and there's a little bit of a tingling, and then it says to remove after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. I'm assuming it's probably green or probably like brown. I'm not sure, but it's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. So this is a part of the giveaway too. I have so many masks that I just didn't want another one, so I wanted to add this into the giveaway. Also, another thing that I have is a green apple peel. It's a peel from Juice Beauty. It's a small little travel size as well. So, and it says it's full strength. Use once to twice a week at night only. Okay, so I heard a lot of good things about this peel as well. It's green apple. I'm sure it smells delicious. So yeah, let me know how you like that as well. Next thing I have is this small little eyeshadow palette. It's from Mary Kay. I don't personally use Mary Kay, but it was sent to me to try out. So I didn't use it. The only thing that you will probably see is when I swatched it, just to see how everything was. I have a lot of eyeshadows, so I really just never found myself going and picking this one up. So I wanted to add this one into the giveaway. I have two lippies here from LA Girl, and one is like a pinkish color and one is a more of a red tone. And I'm just gonna open it so that I could take a swatch so you can see. And they are matte finish. So I'm gonna do a pink, and then right next to it, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swatch the red. Wow, this is really, really pretty. More of a burgundy instead of a bright red. Now they will dry matte. I have two e.l.f. lipsticks. As you can see, this one's more of a pretty bright red. And this one here, it's more of a dark, a warmer tone red. And they're really pretty. and they're naturally flat surface like that. So it's not that it's been used or anything, it's just flat, and I've had them, and I don't normally use these two specific colors. I'm more of a nude type lippy, so yeah, that's a part of it. I have another moisturizing lipstick from e.l.f. and this is in this pretty pink. So I'll do like a real little swatch here. So it's a pretty soft pink, and the color is called Pink Mink. Next thing I have is this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. It's pressed powder, and it says Impressed You on the front, and these are the colors. They're very pretty colors. They're all matte. It's a really pretty palette. I just never found myself reaching for it or using it, so I definitely didn't want to just have it in my drawer going to waste. So I just thought that it would be something good to add to the giveaway as well. Next thing we have in the giveaway that is not makeup related is this Betsey Johnson little clutch little wallet. It's a cute little locket that says Betsey Johnson. It's pink and white. It has a little bit of design. The designs are actually little hearts, and it's really pretty gold, and there's a black interior with some designs. You know what Betsey Johnson is famous for, her little graffiti, like I like to call it. So this is a really pretty little clutch wallet that has been added in there. The item I decided to add to the giveaway is this Charter Club silver watch. Has never been used, but it's a really pretty watch, and I'm sure someone will find the use for it. But I am an Apple girl, so I wear constantly my Apple Watch. I really don't use dress up watches. Even I used to use them more before, but now with the Apple Watch I just don't find no use to it, because instead of pulling out my phone out my back pocket, I just, who this is, who you calling, what you want. So this is really pretty, and I decided to add this as well. And last but not least, the last item that I have, I decided to add a pair of Diff sunnies. So I just want to show you these that will be added into the giveaway, and these are called the Bella. They're a really pretty, it's a matte black with their logo. So they are really pretty glasses. They fit any shape, face that you might have. These are cute, really pretty. You can see my light, see my eyeballs. So this is a part of the giveaway. All right guys, so let me tell you what needs to be done in order to get an entry into my giveaway. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You have to hit that bell so that I can see that you are getting my notifications. That right there is 2 entries for you. Also, if you found this video, it's because you saw it on social media. So if you're not following me on my social media platforms, don't forget to do that as well, and also share this video. So you have several entries. Subscribe, ring the bell, share it on social media, and follow me on the social media platforms. And Instagram, it's Lily_Lugo. Lily is spelled L-Y-L-Y. And on Facebook, it would just be Lily, L-I-L-Y, Lugo. So good luck. I will be announcing the winner on August 1st. So good luck, everybody. Remember, the more you share, the more you tag people on my Instagram post in regards to this giveaway, the more chances you have to win. So good luck. Thank you so very much for watching. And until next time, bye.